Hi, hello, hello. How are you? Hi, Praveen. Okay, Chandru, you are saying how to solve the work portal account got deleted. Can you refer at Barclays? I'm not working in Barclays. This is regarding today we are connecting regarding the issue of Workday. So we'll continue with the questions regarding the Workday issues. Okay. About the referral and other issues we will connect later. So today we will only discuss about the workday issue, and you can connect me on YouTube. I already shared the link. There we will connect. Here on Instagram we'll just connect for 4 to 5 minutes. After that we'll disconnect from here. Okay. So how to solve the work portal account got deleted? Okay. Have you tried again by creating new account with the same details? Okay, whoever joined here, please join on YouTube. We'll continue there. I'll answer your questions. Hi, the hello, little dreamer. Please post your questions here. I'll try to answer those. Please let me know your questions in the comment. Hi, Pradeep. Okay, रेफरल दीदी दे दो दीदी डेटा एनालिस्ट का क्या एक्सपीरियंस है आपका एनी एडवाइस फॉर फ्रेशर्स only one advice is that apply as much job as you can. Don't only depend on only one company, and only like as I already told you, many of you were telling me that this is the particular like Accenture. So Accenture is particular our dream company, and you guys are targeting for that company only. So as a fresher, don't target any particular company. Just target to get job. Let it be like let it be any salary. Fresher in fourth year but have done 3 internships. Okay, Karthik. So what's your question? Hi Akka. Hi Deva. Hi Mahesh. What's your question? You just okay. Any advice for experience? What advice you want for experienced one? For experienced one, you don't need to worry about it as there are multiple openings in the for the experienced one. You can target for the Nokri and try updating your profile as frequently, like to update your profile 2 4 times in a day will help you. Okay, advice means you want referral for freshers. Referral for fresher is actually not available. Like that is like it will not affect any it will not create any specific change in your profile. Just the thing is like you can apply from the portal itself, and I don't think referral plays any specific role for the freshers. At least for the MNCs, it won't play any important role. But try to apply more openings. Okay, Vinay, you are asking any helpful resources for interview from your side. Helpful resources, it's depend like what type of. I'll suggest you to go and use Chat GPT, like as I don't know what domain you are looking for interview preparation. But if you give a prompt to the Chat GPT that what exactly your experience is, or if you are a fresher, like try to give your background to the Chat GPT and ask first, go for the one mock interview with the Chat GPT, like tell uh, tell the chat gpt that you want to go with the easy, then medium, and then difficult level interview, interview set, question set, so that will help you a lot. Okay, how to tackle unstable employment. Unstable employment means, okay, Accenture question here, Sushil. Okay, I'm working in Accenture as an Informatica developer, and how can I switch in AIML? Okay, so we have I Aspire internally in Accenture, where we have a provision to switch internally to any skill whichever you want. So you have to set your skills like desired profile. Like suppose you want to switch for the AIML, in my competency, set the ML related skill, try to achieve a P3 in that, and then request for the, perform some projects in that, take a mentor, assign a mentor for yourself in the I Aspire tool, and after that you can even connect for the you can connect to the mentors, and once you uh, and you can even check for the internal openings in our internal portal jobs gateway, and from there you can apply by getting roll off from your current project if you are already tagged to the project. Hi Harsha, I'm good, how are you? Okay, Mahesh, you are saying, hi ma'am, I'm working at a Noble Hospital as a junior software developer. I have applied for package app associate position. How many job position I can apply? Any tips? Okay, as you are already working as a junior software developer, you don't need to apply for the a packaged app development associate position. Okay, that position is totally for the freshers who are also who is having 0 to 11 months of experience. They can apply to that role. As you are already working and you have experience, try to apply for the other roles, because as I already told, this packaged app development associate position is tagged to the India campus portal of Accenture, where you can apply only one position at a time. And for that also you cannot track your application. So go to Workday portal, and from there try to search for the associate positions, and after that apply a filter for the expertise. As you are software developer, apply filter for the expertise, where you can select like software engineering or data engineering, AI related, or any preferred expertise you can select, and after that you can apply for the any associate related position from the Workday portal. So once you apply, wait for at least 2 weeks, and after that you surely will get call from the HR, or at least you will get any update on your profile. If you don't receive any call till 3 weeks when you apply for the position, then just withdraw your application and again apply for the another new position from the Workday portal, which is for the associate or analyst opening. Okay. Okay. Why does Workday portal doesn't work properly every time showing no account on these credentials even though after applying. Do one thing for this issue, drop one mail to the Accenture support team, ask them to delete your profile so that again you can create your profile and check. Once they delete your profile, then again apply for the positions from the Workday. But try to use same username, same password also to when you are trying to create new account. Don't use another email ID or another password. Okay, why Accenture preferred only female candidates? It's not like that Accenture preferred only female candidates. Actually, till 2021, the ratio of female and male ratio was 60-40. So during that time, they want to keep it as 50-50. That time they hired more female candidates, but it's not like that. They are hiring female candidates only. ओके आप देवेंद्र आप बोल रहे हो कि दीदी मेरे करियर में स्टेबिलिटी नहीं है, उसको अनस्टेबल एम्प्लॉयमेंट कहाँ है, मतलब आपके ज्यादा स्विच है क्या, और आपको क्या इशू आ रहा है इस अनस्टेबल की वजह से, कुछ स्पेसिफिक आप इंटरव्यू अटेंड कर रहे हो तो कुछ क्वेश्चंस है, या कोई आपको रिक्रूटर ऐसे कुछ पूछ रहे हैं? ओके, मजहर मोहम्मद, ओके। I think this is wrong question. What's your CTC? What's your experience? If you want to know anything related to me, then you can go and check on the LinkedIn. And if you guys want to know about the salary, then you can always check Glassdoor to check like what is the salary provided for the particular years of experience and particular position. Okay, here one question. Yes, one. Okay. Is there any opening for NetSuite developer at Accenture? This is, I'll say again, a wrong question. Instead of asking me, go to the career page, search for this, and if there are positions available, then yes, there are openings available. All the positions I cannot search and tell you guys, right? That yes, I have these many openings available. There are multiple, more than 6,000 openings are available on the portal. How can I just check for everyone's opening? Hi, Anil. Voice not audible. Now is it audible? Am I audible to you? Okay. Is she not reading the messages we are keeping here? I am reading messages. I think I already answered your question, right? What's your name? I don't know. HSMG. Now am I audible to you guys? For which question once again? Now audible. Okay. Sorry. Not getting. You can drop your questions on YouTube. Okay. Now I think you can hear. You can type your questions again. Okay. This is one more repeat question. Okay, Mahesh, you are asking, hi ma'am, what skill do you suggest for 1 year experience candidate, particularly Java, Spring, MVC, and web development? I'll suggest if you have 1 year of experience, then go for the analyst position. You can search with the analyst and then find out with the skills as you mentioned. Java, Spring, and MUC. And web development is another position. Java, Spring is another position. So go and first check the job description, and whatever position listed recently on the portal, try to apply for that. Don't apply for the position which is there on the portal for more than 2 months. Okay, because then there are chances that you will not receive any response from the HR. Because and also there are issues for these positions, like if you apply from the Workday. Okay. Yes, Mohammed, you are right. You can go for the Chat GPT. It is not working. Sorry. You can join me. You can join me on YouTube. We'll continue there. Hi. Okay. Actually, there is some mic issue on Insta. Okay, I was telling you regarding the, yes, for associate role for the web development is also available. And for Spring Boot and Java, yes, you can check on the career page. You'll get those. Okay, in 2025, which skill is good to learn? Okay, I'll suggest go with the Python, AI/ML. Like learn any programming language and give your best in that. Create some projects. Okay, any question? Any workday related question? If you guys are trying out something in on workday and it is not working, then just let me know about the workday, because I schedule this call only for workday related queries. If you are, you can try parallelly along with me from by applying from the workday portal. And if you are facing any issues on workday portal, then just let me know. You can try it out now also. I go to the, if you want workday link, I'll share it to you. Oh, Harsha, thank you. Try it out. If you are trying, just let me know so that I'll wait for it. Like someone was facing issue that account is getting deleted. Chandru, can you try if it is working for you? Okay, from last June I follow, and in one of live you told to join any job, then see how it's different. And that advice really helpful to me. The first job really, thanks, man. Okay, it's nice that yes, you got a job and you took that advice and it is helpful to you. First job is very important, like whether it is any company, even though you don't have salary, but if you are getting experience later, just get it. Okay, Chandru, you are saying I have applied for the associate software engineer role through India campus portal. Hiring using the same email and password. Can use password for the, you can use same for the Workday portal. There is no any issue for the Workday portal to use the same details. But now search for the openings. I'll check it out if I can help you. Search with associate. You can find out multiple openings. I'm searching it out. Software engineering 1940 openings are there. Test engineering associate, web developer associate. I'll send you some openings here. You guys can go and directly apply to those openings. Web development position you want, right? Okay. For Workday, you can, hi Shwetesh, you can check on the Workday. Like you just have to wait for the 2 weeks, and if it is not getting updated on the Workday portal, and check if there is any application on the active application. And if it is there, then just withdraw the application if it is already more than 3 weeks, and apply for the new again. After withdrawal, just wait for the 24 hours, and after 24 hours apply it again. I have sent one web developer associate position, and these are totally for the freshers. Don't apply if you have 1 year of experience. Go for the analyst one. So many web developer positions are there on the portal. SAP, AB, positions are also there. Any doubt? Okay. Hi, Arsha. Yes, you are saying, ma'am, can you please do a video on Accenture interview questions for freshers, please? Okay, sure. I'll do video on that. We'll post it in our channel. Ma'am, any solution for already existing? Yes, that is the solution. Once you apply from Workday portal, you will not get this issue of already existing application. How you are applying, just let me know. I sent link here, Workday portal link. I have sent it here. Check it once. and follow the steps carefully. And you have option on the Workday portal itself to apply it, and then click on the apply manually option, and then you will not face any issues of already existing application. Hi, Sandhya. Yes, Accenture is still hiring for the freshers. Even I just now I shared one position here, two positions I have shared, one for the test engineer role and one for the web developer role, and both are for the freshers only. But just check if anything mentioned as associate, that is totally for the freshers. Even though if they have mentioned that as 1 year of experience, still apply for that job, because here in Accenture, all the associate positions are for the freshers only. Any other question? Like whoever connected here, and if you guys are still facing workday related issues, go and check my videos which I have uploaded, like two videos I have uploaded. Check both the videos and apply from that process. And still if you are still facing the issues, like carefully follow each and every step, because even though if you missed any step, then there is like you will face again the same issue of already existing application, because it will again navigate you to the another site which is Accenture careers. And if it is navigated you to the Accenture careers site, that means surely will get a already existing application issue. But from the start, from the start to end, if you are on the same site of workday portal, then you will not get any issue. Okay, how many months? What are you asking? How many months? Chandru, what are you asking? I didn't get. You can apply to any role anytime. Just make sure that, like, and this is like one more thing is that if you are applying from the Workday portal for the freshers opening, then there is a no assessment round is not there. It will be directly a technical interview round, and only one technical round will be there. And after that, directly you will get a HR call or offer letter. This is bit easy process than the one than the pada role that is having like 4 to 5 rounds, but all are like from the assessment only, and after that there is a HR round. Any other question? Can we end this conversation? Hi ma'am, switching within a 1 year for new job, how it's affect the CV or hiring person? Someone told me that at least complete more than 15 months and then try to switch. What's your opinion? Okay. See, if you have 1 year of experience and you are looking for switch, it is fine. But yes, there should company will consider you as fresher only, but still it won't affect anything. And if you want to, because if you have any different reason to switch, reason for the switch, like package related issues or any other issues, then you can look out for the change. But just thing is that suppose you are getting 10 calls for the 1 year of experience, then only few will allow you to enter for the interview. But if you got a chance for the switch, then just go for it, or else you have to wait for the, it's not 15 months, but yes, to consider you as a experienced one, you should complete 2 years. You can consider like it's if you complete uh, 1 year and 6 months, 1.5 years plus, then also you can look out for the change. Mazhar Mohammed. If you don't like anything here, you can happily leave this channel. I don't want anyone to put any negative thoughts here. If you find it is not useful for you, you are free to leave this channel anytime. I don't want any suggestion from you. And if you want your suggestion to give anyone, you can open your own channel and provide your suggestions to anyone. Okay, I don't want this type of that. Who are you and why? Mind your business and all those things. Please don't do such things here. I don't like these things. Okay, you can leave my channel. You can leave from my WhatsApp community also. I know you are already connected with me, and you asked so many questions to me till now, even on WhatsApp also, and I personally replied to all your questions. So if you find still it is not worth for you, you are always free to leave these channels. Okay. See guys, I don't want to entertain these type of things here. I know because I already answer your so many questions, even though those are very simple one also, but I answered those questions in very gentle way. I have all those things available with me. Ask same questions to the chat GPT and check it out if those kind of response you are getting. And if you are getting, then why are you still here? It's nearly now, it's nearly 1 year to my channel now. It is not yet completed. Yes, I know that. In meantime, I'm not regular here, but I seriously don't want this type of things over here. Okay, yes, Chandru, as I told, if you are a fresher and apply from the Workday portal, then you will have a only one technical round, but that technical round will be totally on the job description. That's why whenever if you are applying from the Workday portal, make sure that you are aligning your resume as per the job description, because if it is not matching, then automatically it will get rejected from the ATS tool. Okay, so your resume should be aligned with the job description, and same things you will they will ask you in the interview, and that will be only one technical interview, and that too it will only schedule for a half an hour, not more than that. Okay, interview zero gamers interview date 13 November, then I got selection like, on 19 December. Offer later is 1 4 months update. What should I do? Okay. For this, I don't know what's your name, but for this question, as you mentioned, like you already have done the interview and background verification and everything, but you are waiting for the offer letter. But I'll suggest you to not wait for the offer letter, because even I don't know, and I don't think even Accenture will reply you for this soon, because it is totally unpredictable that for the PADA role when they will hire to a candidate. So instead of, don't wait for that things until and unless, as I already told, until and unless you have a company laptop with you, don't consider that you got a offer. Till that time, just try out. If you are getting any chance from anywhere, as you are a fresher, don't waste your time. If you are getting any chance from anywhere, just join that. Just don't wait for it, because seriously, even what happens, like I raised one ticket for this issue regarding the PADA role, and there even Accenture was they gave response to me that even they can't track this, as they hire one third party for this. That's why Accenture is not giving response for this portal, like for whoever is applying from the PADA role. For them, they are not responsible. Actually, they hired a third party for this. But yes, same thing, if they can only help if you apply from the Workday. But as this is totally unpredictable. that when you will get offer letter. Yes, now don't wait for it, because like Accenture takes much time to release offer letter. But I should not suggest you to wait for that. Instead, go and join any job if you feel like if you are getting, even though it is unpaid, also go and get that one. And don't because this career experience is much more good than this career gap. Why are you asking questions? I don't know. You are already uh, using such words in the comment section. Mazhar Mohammed, go with the chat GPT now. Then why are you asking these questions here again? I don't want to use any bad words for you, but why are you like mentioning that Harsha, I'm your dad? What is this behavior? Are you paying any single rupees to me for listen this? It is totally free for you, right? I seriously don't like such behavior. You should think before typing anything on this chat. And you are expecting that you should get a job in any MNC. If you are not behaving properly, then how anyone could hire you? Even though if you are not good in any technical skill, but if your behavior is good, then you are getting hired by any company. But if your behavior is not good, then no any company will hire you. And even though if they hire you, and if you behave like this, you will not sustain you in your career. This is the first time that it's around 1 year now. First time I am shouting like this. Don't use this channel to like comment any foolish things. And if you find like it is not useful for you, you are totally free to leave this. It's not about ignore, like I know this person and I help this person, I answered very stupid questions, like still you are using he's using such words in the comment section. Okay, Satish, I applied for trust and safety role a month back, but till now no response from Accenture. What is the status on Workday portal? I think if you apply from the trust and safety means you can check your status. Check what is the status, and if that is still active. Harsha is annoying. That is not offense to you. That is not offense to me. He is a Accenture employee. If you want any help from him, take a help from him. He will more guide you more than me to you. He didn't use any bad words. Even many candidates waiting with offer letter for onboarding but no update. But many says okay, but I'll suggest you to like don't wait, because seriously now like market condition is bit not good. So Accenture usually, because they didn't send you any offer letter. If they have sent you offer letter, then I would ask you to wait, because if they send offer letter, then they surely will join you. But they didn't share the offer letter. That's why don't wait for it. Don't waste time. Parallelly start applying, and if you get the offer letter, then think about it. If even though if you are into another job, you can again go come back and join it. Welcome, Chandru. Thank you for providing clear and helpful answers. I think Satish, you've asked me this question like you apply 1 month back. If check the status, if it is in the inactive status, then apply to the another role, because that position might be closed now. Any other question? That's it. What error you are getting? Then do one thing. I think your account might got deleted, and do one thing, like use the same account, same email ID and same password, okay, and log in again. And because your account is deleted and that's why you are not getting any update, and again apply for the position as you mentioned, trust and safety, and again apply for that. And you check every after like 2 to 3 days the status of your application. And if it is still in active status, then wait for the HR call. HR will call you. You can apply for the position in working time only, in weekdays only apply for the position. And after that HR will call you after 1 week. Around 1 week you can consider, they will call you. And if until 3 weeks if they didn't call you, then just withdraw that application and apply for the another one. Okay, Sandhya, can you tell me your LinkedIn ID? You are genuine and very sorry for my language. That was all silly things. Okay, LinkedIn ID, everything is there on my Insta account. Go and check there. Hey, hi Chandru. Yes, as if possible, please conduct live session once a week. Yes, I schedule it for Friday. Weekends, usually I missed it on weekend, but on every Friday we'll continue for this from 10. Every Friday 10 we'll continue this series. Uh, okay, reason Accenture giving is business requirement. So when they get requirement, they will provide like candidates with offer. Yes, like you can wait. Like I think in June also you can expect. Like usually in June also they share these things, offer later to the candidates. June or September. Every time logging, I'm getting same error like your mail ID wrong. That means your account got deleted, Satish. If you are getting that your mail ID or password is wrong, that means your account got deleted. So you have to click on the create new account and you have to create your account. Mahesh, ma'am, even having offer later, many people not getting joining date. One of my friend have TCS from last Wednesday. That's the thing, like don't, that's what I'm saying, like even though you have offer letter and everything, still don't wait for the companies to let you join. The only thing with Accenture is like if they release a offer to you, then they surely will join you. But if they didn't release the offer, then because with many other company it happens, it is happening that they gave the offer letter but they didn't give joining to the candidate. So that's why like I'll suggest like if you are a fresher, don't target any MNC in the beginning. If like don't target big MNCs. Like once you have experience, then you can go with any company. Then there is no any restriction. Just build up your skills and don't waste your precious time. Like experience is very valuable than any MNC. Any question? Why it's getting deleted? May I know the reason? Also, how many time I need to create? Okay, so your account is getting deleted. Then do one thing: drop a mail to Accenture support team and asking them that please delete my account, and send them your account user ID. And after that, like, they will reset your account, and you will able to apply for the position successfully. Okay, I'm applying but getting no reply. So when I got selected in Accenture, I was so happy, giving hope in groups that will get offer. Okay, don't be depressed. See, nothing will happen if you are depressed. Okay, so don't be depressed. Instead, like, you can apply to other companies, and don't, because as I used to say in my past videos also that like, even until you have office laptop, till that time don't consider that you are employee of any company. Okay, so instead of thinking about it like when they will join you, instead of that, just start applying again with the positivity, and don't waste the time, and don't waste time for uh, because it's not like only you cleared the interview. There are many candidates who cleared the interviews along with you and who didn't receive the offer letter, but due to which you should not waste your time. And now try again applying for the positions and target as many companies as you can. And if you are, as what is the, I find out that main reason for the fresher is that they don't know about the company names also. They just target few companies, like like, yes, Accenture is one company, TCS is one company. Just you just know few big company names, and to them only you are targeting. But there are so many MNCs in IT sector. Once you start looking out for it, so how you can find out the companies, that go and connect with the experienced people on the LinkedIn. Okay, and go and check, even though if they accept your request or not, we don't want that. Okay, just do one thing: let's go to their profile and check the company name, so that if with one person at least you will get a one company name. And then go to the career site of that company, career page of that company, and then uh, drop a mail or apply for the any open positions for the freshers. Because there are so many freshers opening on in the market with different companies, but as many candidates are only targeting to the big companies, it's not your fault actually, because those company names we don't know, that's why we are not applying. So same thing now, try a different approach and apply to the different companies. As told you, one easy way is that connect with the more people on the LinkedIn. Even they don't accept your request, that doesn't matter, just check their profile, and to to just know about the company name. Okay. Okay, Chandru. Ma'am, if there are any current openings, please share a video about them. It would be very helpful to us. Yes, sure. Yes, I used to share that video, but I think like mm, I was thinking like, okay, it is, I think, not useful for many, so I stopped it again. I'll share it again. Okay, Mohammed, you are asking the question again. For all the guys live in Accenture, salary structure is different in different cities for the same role. Salary structure is depend upon the various roles. It's totally like which, uh, what is your skills, what is your experience, like everything. It's totally, and we cannot share that, like you can, as I told you, like you can go for the glass door where you can compare, where employees have posted uh, their salary and all. There you can create your account and you can check like this is the position. Suppose you got any call from the HR, or you are applying for the particular position. uh, as I told, for the packaged app development associate, the salary is fixed, that is a 4.5 ULPA. Okay, so likewise, you can check that salary And for Glassdoor, you can check if you are experienced, you can use the Glassdoor also. So there are different patterns, but yes, CTC is totally depend on the different factor. It's not about the you are working in one company. Yes, city wise also it is different. Okay, thank you, ma'am. I'll apply with your strategy. Yes, and let me know like next time. Don't be disappointed, and just let me know what all things you have done, and only target during weekdays. Okay, don't apply on weekend and just Monday to Friday, and only during working hours from 9 to evening 7. Put it 7. Don't even extend till 8 also. Even you can keep it as 6 also, because no HR will call you after 6 or 7. Okay, so apply to the position only during office hours. Okay, Satish, what is the permanent solution to keep logging in with old credentials? Create a new account every time is like frustrating, but when it's workday portals are good. Yes, why we are facing this issue is here because Accenture just recently adopted this workday portal. Previously, we used to only have this Accenture career page, but as this portal is new and this is not yet stable, that's why we are facing this issue. We'll do one thing. You can do one thing like Satish. Please ping me on LinkedIn once with your details, like your username. Send it to me on the LinkedIn. I'll do one thing. I'll raise issue to the internal team. They will remove your data so that you will be able to apply to the position again. For if you anyone wants my LinkedIn and everything, you can go again to the Instagram, and there I have provided LinkedIn, uh, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, and Telegram community link is also there. So from there you can connect with me from in other platform. Even we have a WhatsApp community, Telegram community, where we are discussing the questions there. Okay, ma'am, I have seen many job openings has different technologies, but actually they need so many skills for even fresher job opening. Yes, they just add those skills. It's not like you should see if the position is associate, then just don't think about the like experience. Even though if you have entered any single word, and if you don't have any experience but you are able to answer any single definition also, na, that is also sufficient, because you're not entering into the any experience position. You are trying for the interview of freshers. Okay, fresher, or you can consider like anyone who is having less than 3 years of experience, those are having very easy interviews. Even though you are able to explain, tell any simple definition or anything related to any specific keywords also, then also it is fine. But just don't forget to mention that in your resume, because if you don't mention that in your resume, then ATS will reject your resume, and before reaching out to the interview, you will get rejected in the process itself. Okay, it's Sandhya Gosavi. You can search on LinkedIn. Insta ID, I'll send it here, and LinkedIn. Okay, any other question? Can we drop up? It's around 1 hour now. Is there any vacancy for freshers? I think you just joined. Yes, there are multiple vacancies for the freshers. Go on the Workday portal and search with the associate. I just shared two openings. For one is for the testing and one is for the web developer role. And check whatever is convenient for you, and you can apply for that. And there are even more than that openings. Like I just checked out, and there are 1,600 openings for the freshers. So check it again. I just shared two openings here. You can search with associate one and go and apply. I have joined DevOps course, but later I got to know there are no opening for freshers in DevOps. See, one thing I'll tell you is that if you are a fresher, don't invest your money in any courses. Okay, just invest your time to apply more and more jobs. At least target 50 to 6 to apply 50 to 60 jobs per day. In that too only Monday to Friday you have to apply. You don't need to apply on Saturday and Sundays. So at least target to apply 50 to 60 jobs per day so that you will get call from the companies. You can just consider if you apply for the 100 companies, then you can consider that 10 will respond you, after out of which 5 will say that you are rejected, and 5 will say that we will connect you later, out of which only one will give you call or only one will schedule your interview. So that's why you have to reach out to more and more companies. No, no, that much skills are not required. Freshers interviews are quite easy. Just don't forget to mention those in your resume. Any other question? Can we wrap up now? It's 1 hour now. We'll connect on next Friday. I can't find it. Okay, I'll send it again. Just wait. Sure, I'll accept it, Satish. Send me details, like all the details, like what positions you were applying. If you have previous mail about it, that also please send it here. RVS, I don't know your name. I have sent this again, like two openings I have sent it here. So go and apply to these openings. I think these links will not be available. So you can click here, click now, and if I ended this chat, then this links will not be present. Thank you, Harsha. Thank you, Svetesh. Thank you all. Thank you so much. We'll connect in next session now. Satish, I'll accept your request post this session. And thank you so much. Bye. We'll connect in next week.